Hey fellas, today here we have the Milwaukee M12 BDD, and this is the smoky Milwaukee. Okay, I don't know if you can see or not, but the motor is really sparking. The smell is really not good here, so yeah, we definitely need a new motor for this one. Okay, so the pin, yeah, bended it a little bit, and just push it out. Okay, so we have the motor here, and we have the replacement motor. You can see it's here. It goes to the old plastic piece. I will just make the photo for the shop. Okay, so parts like that you can easily find in my shop. Okay, so just taking out all the gears, of course losing them to have the more jab, and now we need to align them. With the plastic gear, so sad. Okay, here's the motor. Now we can check that the black wire is up, so putting our new motor in the same way. Of course the gears is not always aligned easily. Okay. Okay, so what we have here, we have the gear, sorry, the wire. What we want to do here, we want to remove this black wire and not burn our fingers. So we have heated the wire. It's really hot. Okay, and what to do if you're finding the wire like this one? Just use thermotube. The thermotube like that, and okay, just mounting the tube here. Like that. I will heat it. Okay, just like that, and it's time for our red wire. Okay, so the red wire goes here. It's a little bit hot. I want to press it a little bit to get it easier to the hole, and we have the red dot on the positive wire terminal, the motor. Okay. We'll do that in this way. And still can't do that. Okay, solder the red wire. Of course, you can solder it more from this side, and maybe it's, you know, maybe it's a good proper way to do that. Okay, it's fucking hot. Now we want this black wire to go here, and as always it's too big for the hole. Okay. So now, as we have the motor soldered, connected, we need to align the gears again. sometimes they're just pissing me off. Okay, so now we have it here. We have the speed changer. Okay, inserting the gear IC with the motor. The gear IC. Okay, now the gear IC is in place. We will see if the motor is in place. Let's get the date sticker. Okay, do we have this one? We have the small gap here, so we need to check maybe the wire messes with us around. Not this time. Okay. So here's good. We will just try to close it, I think, and we will see. Okay, maybe. Okay, it looks like closed. Of course, we have this in here. Okay, nice. We have perfectly working drill, and it was almost easy motor repair, replacement. Water repair, it's not repair, it's replacement, basically. Okay, so that's all. If you need spare parts, you can visit my online shop. You will find the link in this video description. And for now, don't forget to press thumbs up, and bye.